Hi, I am Devi from Sharp Abacus Learning School. A long back, my thought is that I want to give some motivation talk to my company teachers. This was my first perspective. And my second perspective of starting this company is that from A to Z, I wanted the ladies to be inside. Okay, this company will help us for a work-life balance. Whomsoever married took break from their job, like a maternity break or joint family issues, whatever it may be, this company and this teacher training and the jobs as well as the back-end people whomsoever working with us, they have a very good work-life balance. So that is what the happiest thing of Sharp Abacus. Okay, and so I am planning to give you a daily talk of 30 seconds, max to max 1 minute. Like it might be a talk regarding the motivation for teachers, okay, so that they can grow up well, how their mindset should be. This is the mindset, whatever I tell. This is my experience. It is not like as if I know everything. Out of my experience, I wanted to tell each and every teacher, like, do like this, okay, dream like this. So this is all my thoughts. But the thing is that I don't have time to share with you people. So how to dream, how to grow up, how to catch the opportunity, how to have a work-life balance. So these are all my thoughts behind this audio journey. Thank you.